G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today, and just going to do a quick note on installing the Limetron or the home edge or the grander device with the Gold Carb whole house water filter. Okay, so we'll just quickly run through this, and you might be able to show this to your plumber or the installer or whoever's going to be installing this water filter on the home. All right, so basically water's coming into your home, and if you're just installing the Gold Carb, it's just going to consist of these parts. Okay, so there's the bracket's tech screwed onto the wall. There's a couple of bolts on the top, and that's just going to bolt onto that bracket, and that will be locked on the top, and there's your bracket to fix it onto the wall. Okay, it does have a this spins off the bottom, and then the housing will come away from the top, and you'll see the cartridge inside. There's a 2.5 by 20 inch string wound sediment cartridge inside of here, and that's just to take the lumps and bumps and dirt out of the water and stop the dirt filling up inside the Gold Carb. Okay, so today the direction of flow is coming from this side of the screen, your left, and we're flowing from left to right. That's the normal way. There's arrows on the top of the pre-filter showing you the direction of flow, and it must be put on the right way. Okay, after that arrow on either end, you've got the inlets and the outlets. I just pulled this plug out so you can have a look, but it's just basically a 3/4 BSP thread. Very common in Australia, as you would know, and it's what you'd expect to use. Okay, so that's the sediment cartridge. Water comes in through the sediment cartridge, and the job's right. Okay, from there the water's going to flow straight into the Gold Carb here. Once again, it's got a 3/4 on the top here where this red plug is. So we've got a 3/4 inch hole in the top, has a nipple on it, and we connect the water pipe to it. So basically the water's coming in, the plumber's just got to bring the water in, plumb it through the sediment into here. The water will go down through the system's going to do everything you want, and the water will come back up through the system and out the other side. On the top of here, it's got an in and an out, so it's not hard, it's just the direction that the water's got to be plumbed in. Okay, in through the sediment, in through the Gold Carb, out into the home, beautiful water. All right, if you've got chlorine, chemical issues, whatever it might be, that's going to sort them. If you've stepped up from there and you've got hard water problems in your area, you might have gone for the Limetron. Okay, now what you can do with the Limetron is you can put that on first. Okay, now I don't mind if you install the pre-filter and then the Limetron, no problem. As long as you get the direction of flow correct, we're good to go. If not, the Limetron can go on this side of the pre-filter as well. Okay, but probably makes a bit of sense to have the pre-filter first, stop any garbage getting trapped inside your Limetron, but I'll definitely put the Limetron before the Gold Carb. Okay, and it's an inline system. It just connects into the water pipe, and the water just flows through this the same as it flows through the other devices. Okay, it's got 3/4 inch connections on each end, and that's what you'll need to be compatible with the rest of the system here. Okay, the inside of this pipe is 16 millimeters. The inside of normal 3/4 inch pipe in Australia is 17 millimeters. There's only 1 millimeter difference. It won't stop the water flow, it won't create any issues with pressure or anything. We've been selling them in this country over 2 years, so they're good to go on. 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch ends, perfect for the Australian home. Never had one come back yet. Okay, then if you want to take it up one more level, or you might not have gone for the Limetron, you might want to just use the home edge. You might just want to break the water up and create finer water and create energized water in the home. Or you might be using both together. Okay, let's say to start with, you're just going to use the home edge. I would treat it exactly the same as we treated the Limetron. We'd have the water coming in, and the water can go through the pre-filter, take the lumps and bumps out, then run it through the home edge to open up the molecular structure, open up the garbage trapped inside the molecules, so that this filter here can take out as much contamination as possible. Okay, so if it was just the home edge, that's how I'd configure it. Sediment, home edge, and into the big device there. Okay, now if we're going to use both, and this is what I'd advise in a hard water area. So look, the honest truth, Our water gets so much chemical thrown in it, it's a shame, okay? So you need to do everything you can to bring it back and create the best water you can. This machine makes great water, no doubt about it. So if you've got the hard water, let's run it in. We can run it through the sediment, we'll run it through the Limetron. We'll break up and treat the mineral in the water. Then we run it down through the gold carb system and then out the other side through the home edge and then into the home, okay? Sediment, through the Limetron, through the big gold carb, fire it up on the other side once it's been filtered, and then we put beautiful revitalised water back into your home, okay? Now there's just one more device that I would think would be beneficial, okay? And this is the best of the lot. There is nothing better than this. This grander, you'll often hear me talk about it. It's literally changed my life and my health. There's no ifs or buts about that. So what we would do if we had the grander on, we'd run the water in, same story, through the sediment filter, and we'll clean it up. We'll get all the lumps and bumps out of it and we'll clean it right up, okay? And then we'd probably run it through the home edge, through the gold carb here, sorry. We run it through the gold carb and then we'd have the grander on this side of the gold carb, and basically what we're going to do is flow it into the home then, and that's to give us the softest water. The truth is, this grander device is so good, you mount it here, right? It's actually sending a signal back through this water filter, right? That's how amazing it is. The signal from this device is going all through the pipes in your home, the same as electricity does, okay? So it works on a signal, a frequency, a vibration. So no matter where you connect it up, although we do advise it to be just here after the filter, the signal's going through all your pipe structure work throughout the whole home. It's treating the mineral, so it'll be going all the way back through here, back out to the front water meter. And when you turn the water on, obviously it's flowing through pretty quick, but the signal that flows out of this system is very, very fast. And the water's been treated even throughout the whole network of the home water system at all times, okay? So this is the best. I'm not saying it's cheap, but these grander devices are life-changing. So if you do connect one up, that's the go. Sediment, and then the big gold carb, and then we'll put the whole house grander device on the other side of the gold carb, then the water will flow into the home. Beautiful, restructured, revitalised grander water. Nothing better at all, okay? So share that with the plumber. Any questions, yell out and give us a hand, but it's pretty simple. Any good plumber is capable of connecting pipe work through these and fixing them onto the house. The big gold carb does come with a strap and it straps it onto the house so it can't fall over. So we've been selling these for a couple of years. They're working great. Grander's been around 40 years. Limetrons have been around 50 years. So you can have confidence in these products that they work. I wouldn't sell them to you if they didn't. And yeah, so get them onto the home, save yourself some money, enjoy beautiful water in the house. There's nothing better. Thank you.